This is the moment we've been building toward. 11,800 square feet of raw concrete, thousands of pounds of broadcasted flake, and days of intense labor have all led to this. Today, we scrape, we seal, and we deliver the ultimate grand reveal of this massive dual-space commercial facility. Before the shine comes the sweat. First, the team scrapes down the entire surface to ensure a completely uniform texture, reclaiming every bit of loose flake. Then the magic happens. We flood the floor with a high-performance industrial topcoat. This isn't just for looks. It locks in the chemical resistance, UV protection, and intense durability. Look at that reflection. From dusty, cracked old service shop to a world-class premium automotive facility, a massive 7,000 square foot expansion completely seamless. Total square footage, 11,800 square feet of industrial perfection. This is what happens when you don't cut corners on prep, foundation, or finishing. This is the National Concrete Polishing Standard. If you are a commercial property owner, dealership manager, or industrial facility operator who wants a floor that matches your brand's excellence, visit our website to schedule your site bid today. Thanks for watching the Commercial Overhaul series. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your next project.